These are multiple waterspouts off the coast of the Spanish island Mallorca. This is a small dust tornado in Santiago del Estero.
Corre, corre! Corre, corre!
These are some various lightning shots from the Texas Panhandle.
At this point, I think... Oh gosh, that was on camera.
Before we head to the next clip, make sure to like and subscribe, it will be greatly appreciated. This is a collapsed bridge in Taiwan which was damaged due to a 6.8 earthquake. And this car drives away from a flash flood.